Okay, so we're all about making dream renovations a reality. And today we're going to deep dive into how to do just that,
That's right. Renovations are exciting, but they can also be kind of daunting.
for sure. But we've got a fantastic guide to help us navigate this whole process. We're talking about the 10 essential steps outlined by MJP Renovations. They're a company here in Ontario with a super solid track record.
And what I love about MJP Renovations is that they really emphasize the planning phase. It's not just about swinging hammers and demo day, it's about getting all the ducks in a row first.
Exactly. It's about setting yourself up for success from the very beginning. And that brings us to step one, defining your vision. I mean, this sounds pretty straightforward, but I'll be the first to admit I've been guilty of just pinning a ton of random pictures on Pinterest without really thinking things through.
Yeah, and that can lead to some serious headaches down the line.
Yeah, like what kind of headaches are we talking about?
Well, imagine this. You walk into a restaurant and you just say, "Surprise me," to the waiter. You have no idea what you're in the mood for.
Oh, I see where you're going with this.
Right. It's the same with renovations. You got to have some idea of what you're craving.